I literally feel like I'm dying. Could be because I've been really sad or because I actually am dying. Don't know. I'm going to be filming a video for you guys. I am gonna be showing you guys like a quick little skincare, like updated skincare bit, because my skin, well, right now I look literally dead. Like the bags under my eyes are insane. But besides that, my skin has been doing great. I haven't really been breaking out, which is a surprise because I'm really stressed out right now. And then after that, I'm gonna be showing you guys kind of like my current everyday makeup look, which includes no foundation. It's really breathable. I feel like the combination of the skincare mixed with the no foundation makeup look has just been doing my skin wonders. Okay, let's go. It's so dark. Lighten up, lighten up. There you go. Skincare, real quick. I am using pretty much all new products, I think, from the last skincare video that I posted. Okay, should I zoom in? I don't know how to do this. Normally I do my skincare routine in the shower. Hang on, I'm gonna play some music because I'm a little bit bored just talking to myself. I should put my hair up. Life's tough. Step 2. Face wash that I use is this one. It's from the brand called Simple. And I'm just gonna put a little bit, probably like that much, all over my face. I use my fingers first to put it on. I'm gonna take my Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa brush and I'm gonna get it wet a little bit. And I just buff my face with this, probably for like 30 seconds. Right now I have the exfoliating brush on. I hope you guys can hear me. Maybe I should wait. Okay, I was saying that right now I have the exfoliating brush on it. The kit, well, this is what the kit looks like. It comes with 3 different brushes. The exfoliating one, like I said, I use that one probably like once a week just because if I were to use it every day, my skin would probably get irritated. It's a little bit too harsh to use every day. But it also comes with like a softer one, and this is the one that I use every day. Because it's just not as abrasive. And then it also comes with a silicone sponge. I don't really use this brush, I don't really use this one too much, but this one is really good for dry skin. I like how this really just like cleans out all my pores and gets off the dead skin. It just like wakes me up and my skin literally feels so soft and so fresh. And I have a discount code that you guys can use to save 70% off. I'll leave a link in my description of where you guys can check out Vanity Planet and their other products. Now I really need to moisturize. I've been using this Simple Replenishing Rich Moisturizer. And honestly, I didn't realize how many products I use from this brand. This is not sponsored from this brand. I have the face wash, the moisturizer, and my makeup wipes are also from this brand. I'm just gonna take my Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Oil. I don't use this every morning, but I do use it every night and probably 2 to 3 mornings out of the week. My skin just feels so dry right now, so I've been using it a little bit more. I used to use the Tarte Maracuja oil, which was really nice. I loved it, but I feel like my skin was getting used to the products that I was using because I was using them for so long. So I just had to switch it up. Last thing, I'm just going to take my Mario spray. This is the Aloe Sage and Orange Blossom one. And that's it for skincare. Woo! I'm telling you, my skin, I can't even tell you the last time it's looked this good, although I do have, this isn't even a pimple, it's just like a red mark. I don't even know what it is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you guys a quick little makeup routine. This has literally been my go-to everyday makeup look for the past like month or so. It's very minimal. It's not a lot of products at all. Okay, let's do this. First things first, just gonna prime. I'm using my Makeup Forever Skin Smoothing Primer. I just love it because it really helps to give me a nice smooth base. I told you guys I'm not using foundation, but I am using this IT Cosmetics CC cream. It is a full coverage CC cream, so I don't know if that's cheating, but I'm not going to be applying it over my entire face. I'll show you guys. But really quick, I just want to read to you guys like some of the perks. Because we're in a skincare mode. You guys know my skincare routine is back up to par we gotta make sure that we're taking care of our skin, you know? This has anti-aging properties and has SPF 50. So my face is a lot, oh my God, that looks so dramatic in the camera. My face is not this light. I think the camera is washing my face out and making my arm look orange. It doesn't look that bad in person, but my face is definitely lighter than my body. And I blame it on this because it's SPF 50. But basically what I do is literally take like this much, I don't know if you can see. I just rub it between my fingers. I'm not gonna use a brush or a sponge. And I just kind of dab it over my cheeks because this is where I have a little bit of discoloration and very minor like acne scarring. I'm telling you guys, using a brush like that really helps to exfoliate deeper than just using your hands while washing your face, really helps to take off the dead skin, which has definitely helped improve like any acne scarring that I have. I don't really have that much acne scarring anymore. Whatever's left over, I just put on my forehead, and this just adds like a little bit of a color to my skin as well, so that way it's not as light. I like to go over my lips because I don't like my lips looking super red. I don't know why. I don't even use concealer or anything anymore. In my bags, they're there, they're very noticeable, but I feel like if I leave them shown on purpose, it's not as bad. Plus I kind of like the dead look that it gives me. Okay, now I'm gonna just apply a ton of bronzer because I need some color right now. Also, I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest because that's the only bronzer that I use. And you catch my wave, hope you know your best, but not too vain. That was way too much. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with just a face powder. I actually normally do this before the bronzer, but I forgot, so I'm just gonna do it right now. I mainly just apply it underneath my eyes, my chin, the center of my forehead, and my nose, because that's where I get oily. I'm just gonna take a little bit of blush. This is from MAC, and it's in the shade Pinch Me. I only really apply my blush towards like the backs of my cheeks. But I forgot to say that even though that CC cream is full coverage, because I used such a little amount, I didn't get a full coverage layer. It's more of like a light to medium coverage. You can still see, like, remember that red spot that I was complaining about? You can still see that. So my goal wasn't to cover up my imperfections necessarily, even though some of them did get covered up. It was mainly just to create an even base. For an everyday look, I don't really care about full coverage. I'm just gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Gold Deposit. And this is just a very gold highlight. I like it because it gives me a bronzy feel, you know? That's gonna be it for my face. So, okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in a smidgen. I'm gonna take my Benefit Brow Conditioning Primer, and it's just a clear gel. I never used to use a brow primer until, I don't know if you guys know or remember, but I used to work for Benefit before I moved here to California. So when I was working for them, I got a lot of products, and this was something that I got to try. And literally, I started working there over 2 years ago, and this is the only one I'm not even out of it, and I use it every day that I do my eyebrows. I'm gonna take my Gimme Brow, also from Benefit, and this is in the shade 3. I have no clue if Benefit Cosmetics is cruelty-free. I could easily Google it. Like I said, when I was working for them, I got a lot of products, so I have a lot of like Benefit stuff just waiting to be used up, and I don't want to waste it, so I'll either give it to friends or use it up just because I already have it. Same with any other products that I might be using. If I'm using anything that's not cruelty-free or vegan, it's only because I don't want to just throw away makeup that I've had for a while. So now I'm just going to take my Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is in the shade Caramel, and I'm going to just use this to get a little bit more definition. Okay, once I have a little bit more of an even shape, I like to take my Anastasia brow powder, and this is in the shade Chocolate. I just mix both of the colors, and then I only really use this to underline my brows. Last step, I'm just going to take my Gimme Brow again and brush it through my brows one more time, and this will just help to keep them in place. And there's my brows. I've been doing them a lot darker lately just because my hair's been growing out and there's barely any blonde left in it. So just because my hair has been getting darker, I've been darkening my brows. Okay, next I'm gonna move on to some freckles. 9 out of 10 times I put on freckles. Sorry, this is bothering me. I'm just gonna take the Anastasia pencil that I was using and the brow powder I was using, and I'm just gonna dip the pencil right into the powder and use that to dot on some freckles. I do add some fake ones, but I mainly just go over ones that I already have that might have gotten covered up. And then what I do is just take my powder brush that I used earlier, and I use that to blend out those freckles a little bit. I don't wipe too hard because I don't want to smear them. And now this is actually something new that I've been doing. I used to just leave it at that. We're gonna step it up a notch. I'm gonna take this Tarteist, well, it's from Tarte. It's called the Tarteist eyeliner. I don't know, it's just the brown one. And it has like 2 sides. It has a pencil and a liquid liner. So I'm gonna take the liquid side and use the very, very tip of it. I don't know if you can see. The tip is super, super tiny. And I'm just gonna place a few, like 4 or 5 of these at most, kind of around those freckles that I already did. This is way darker, but I like the mix of the darker and the lighter freckles together. Just gonna do a very thin winged liner with the same brown eyeliner that I used. Lately I've just been liking brown, and it's a dark brown, so it almost looks black, to be honest. But I've really been loving this eyeliner. It's super easy to work with. So I'm just gonna do a little wing. It's not gonna be a little wing. The wing is gonna be there, but it's gonna be thin. I've been doing my eyeliner thinner these days, and I haven't been bringing it all the way in. I stop right about here. I don't know if you guys can see, but kind of like the middle of my eye almost is where I stop bringing the line in. Eyeliner is done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do lashes. I'm gonna just be using like outer corner lashes. I have no idea the brand or the name or what of these. I literally got them at the dollar store, so I don't think there is a brand name, but I've been using this exact pair for the last like 4 months. I don't know how I haven't lost them and how they're still good enough to still use, but they are, so I'm rolling with it. I am gonna curl my lashes just so that way they're long. Mascara, I'm gonna take my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I just started using this, I don't know how long ago, but it is now my favorite mascara. All of Tarte is cruelty free and most of their products are vegan, so woohoo. It is pretty like liquidy, so I usually get it on my eyes. After I do one coat, that's when I go ahead and put on my lash, but I like to do one eye at a time. I'm just gonna go in with one more coat of mascara. I'm only doing the top because for this look, I just like it like that. Last little step, I'm just gonna take the same eyeliner, but I'm using the pencil side now, and I'm just gonna tightline. Okay, that's it for the makeup. I wanna see the look up close. I like it because it's simple and easy to do, and it's really quick. It literally takes me about 15 minutes to do this look, except I was struggling like no other today, so it took me like 20 minutes. Fairly quick and breathable, like I said, so your skin's not gonna be suffocating. If you do want to put like lipstick or lip gloss on, go for it, but I usually just wear chapstick with this look. But yeah, I really hope that you guys liked this video. It was really fun for me to film. I don't know, I just feel really eager to make more videos for you guys. I feel motivated, like I said. Let me zoom out a little bit. Plus, I just got a new camera because I dropped mine in the pool, so I need to make videos to justify buying a new camera. Yeah, like I said, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please thumbs it up. If you guys want to see, I don't know, whatever you guys want to see, let me know down in the comments. Take care of your skin, love yourself, drink your water, and have a good day, you guys. I love you guys. Bye.